Hi guys! In this video, you're gonna learn how to withdraw money on Coinbase. First, you need to open your application store and download Coinbase application. Then, sign in to your Coinbase account. After that, click on the Portfolio tab. Choose bank account as your withdraw method. Then select the bank account you want to withdraw to or add a new one if you haven't already. Enter the amount you want to withdraw and review the details. Click on the withdraw button to confirm the transaction. And that's it. That's how to withdraw money on Coinbase. Wallet to bank. If you like this video, please click the subscribe button and click the bell icon to notify you to our next tutorial.